Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the HDMI port on your PlayStation 5 can be a daunting task, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge damage. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. Next, flip the console upside down and locate the screws on the base. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws carefully. Be mindful of the different sizes, as you'll need them when reassembling. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. This will expose the internal components of your PS5, including the HDMI port. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the console using compressed air or a soft brush. This helps ensure optimal performance once reassembled. Now, locate the HDMI port on the motherboard. It is crucial to handle the motherboard with care to avoid damaging any components. If you find that the HDMI port is indeed damaged, you'll need to desolder the old port. This requires a soldering iron and some solder wick. If you're unfamiliar with soldering, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. After desoldering the old HDMI port, position the new port in place. Heat your soldering iron and apply solder to secure the new port to the motherboard. Ensure that all connections are solid and free of any solder bridges that could cause short circuits. If you don't have the tools for this step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to send in your PS5 without the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. This is a convenient option for those who prefer a hassle-free repair experience. Once the new HDMI port is secured, it's time to reassemble the console. Replace the base cover and screw it back into place, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Before plugging your PS5 back in, do a quick visual inspection to ensure no tools or debris are left inside the console. Finally, connect your PS5 to your TV with a new HDMI cable and power it on. If you encounter any issues during this process, keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the HDMI port on your PS5. Enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.